আজ আমরা থিওরাম শুরু করব চ্যাপ্টার 8 এর ফার্স্ট থিওরামের জেনারেল এনালাইসিসটা হচ্ছে the sum of four angles of a quadrilateral equals to four right angles। এখানে কোয়াড্রিলেটারাল বলছে, তাই কোয়াড্রিলেটারাল যে কোনো রকম হতে পারে, রম্বাস, প্যারালোগ্রাম, রেক্ট্যাঙ্গেল, স্কয়ার, ট্রাপিজিয়াম যে কোনো কোয়াড্রিলেটারের জন্যই এই থিওরামটা ট্রু। ওকে, সো জেনারেল এনালাইসিসের পরে অ্যাজ ইউজুয়ালি আমাদের ফিগার। সো পার্টিকুলার এনালাইসিস, let ABCD be any quadrilateral and ACB is one of the diagonal. So it is required to prove that all four angles, that means angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D, these are the four angles, and all four angles summation should be four right angles. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to four right angle. Construction, join AC so that it divides the quadrilateral ABCD into two triangle ABC and ADC. Now proof. In triangle ABC, the sum of angle BAC plus ABC plus ACB equal to two right angle. Why? Because we know sum of three angles of a triangle is two right angle. Similarly, in triangle ADC, sum of angle DAC plus ADC plus ACD is two right angle. Similar reason, sum of three angles of a triangle is two right angle. Now, earlier the angles were BAC, ABC and ACB. Later the angles are DAC, ADC and ACD. So if we add all six angles, we have BAC plus ABC plus ACB plus DAC plus ADC plus ACD equals to four right angles, because two right angle earlier, later on two right angle, so four right angles. Now just look, BAC plus DAC becomes DAB or BAD, which becomes angle A. Again, angle ACB plus angle ACD becomes angle DCB or angle C. So we can easily write angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to four right angles. So this concludes the proof of theorem 1. Now boys, theorem 2, general enunciation. The opposite sides and angles of a parallelogram are equal. তার মানে প্যারালোগ্রামের অপোজিট সাইডসগুলো ইকুয়াল হবে এবং তার অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেলসগুলো ইকুয়াল হবে। সো অ্যাজ ইউজুয়াল আমরা একটা প্যারালোগ্রামের ডায়াগ্রাম এঁকেছি। নাও পার্টিকুলার এনালাইসিস, লেট ABCD be a parallelogram and AC and BD are two diagonals. It is required to prove that AB equals to DC, which is opposite sides, and another pair of opposite sides are AD and BC. That's also equal, we have to prove. And angle A, opposite angle is angle C, they are equal, and angle B, opposite angle D are equal. So these four things we have to prove. Now in proof, since ABCD is a parallelogram, so we already know that opposite sides are parallel. Since AB and DC are parallel and AC is their transversal, so the angle BAC and angle ACD are alternate angles, so they are equal. So angle BAC equals to alternate angle ACD. Again, BC and AD are parallel and AC is their transversal. AC is the transversal, so angle DAC equals to alternate angle ACB. Earlier the angles were BAC equals to ACD, now DAC equals to angle ACB. Now if we take two triangle ABC and triangle ADC, what we can have in triangle ABC and triangle ADC, we already proved that angle ACB is equals to angle DAC. and angle BAC is equals to angle ACD. So two angles are equal from both triangles, and AC is the common side on both the triangle. So what we can say from A theorem, angle side angle theorem, we can say that both the triangles are congruent. That means triangle ABC and triangle ADC are congruent. Triangle ABC and triangle ADC are congruent. Since the triangles are congruent, so we can conclude that their sides are also similar, sides are also equal. So AB and CD are equal and BC and AD are equal. And similar angles, the remaining angle, there is only one angle remain, that is angle ABC from triangle ABC and angle ADC from triangle ADC. So they are also equal. They are also equal, which conclude that angle B equals to angle D. Similarly, if we take angle ABD, triangle ABD and triangle BDC, they also should be congruent, and from that we can prove that angle A equal to angle C. Earlier we have proved two pair of opposite sides are equal, AB equal to CD and BC equal to AD, and we have proved angle B equals to angle D. Now we have come to know that angle A equals to angle C. So this completes the proof. Theorem 3, general enunciation: diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. We know that in a parallelogram there are two diagonals. We have to prove that they intersect at a point, and the intersecting point is the midpoint of two diagonals. Then it should be the proof that diagonals bisect each other. So in particular enunciation, let ABCD be a parallelogram with two diagonals AC and BD, where AC and BD intersect at point O. It is required to prove that OA equals to OC and OB equals to OD. That means O is the midpoint of AC and O is the midpoint of BD as well. Now proof. Since this is a parallelogram, so from theorem 2 we have also come to know that opposite sides, the definition of parallelogram concludes that opposite sides are parallel and equal. So AB and DC are parallel and AC is their transversal. So we can have angle BAC equals to angle ACD, alternate angles. BAC equals to alternate angle ACD, and again AD parallel BC and BD is their transversal. So what we can say, angle angle DBA is equals to angle ABD. Angle ABD is equals to angle BDC, alternate angle. Angle ABD is equals to angle BDC, alternate angle. Now in triangle OAB and triangle OCD, since we have come to know that BAC and ACD are equal, we can call BAC as OAB and we can call ACD as OCD. So BAC equals to ACD, we can conclude that OAB is equals to angle OCD in triangle OAB and OCD. And again DBA can be written as OBA and BDC can be written as ODC. So OBA equals to angle ODC. So from two triangle OAB and OCD, already their similar two angles are equal, and AB and CD are equal. Why? Because they are opposite sides of a parallelogram, and we know that opposite side of parallelogram is equal. So we can say that triangle OAB and triangle OCD are congruent, and when two triangles are congruent, their similar sides should be equal. So we can say OA equal to OC and OB equals to OD. This conclude that AC and BD bisect each other at O. থ্যাংক ইউ বয়েজ। আজকে এই তিনটা থিওরামই তোমরা শিখো। আর দুইটা থিওরাম আছে, সেটা আমি নেক্সট ক্লাসে তোমাদের আপলোড করে দেবো।